Is it on?
Now it is.
Hello everyone. It is Easter today and I'm wearing shaggy pants. Sebastian, dip,
Stop.
dip,
Can you
dip.
turn the light off in your room?
M&M.
The Easter edition. Easter Bunny has the hookups.
More stickers for you, Sebastian.
Ooh, sticker.
Dee-dum.
Is that sticker too?
Stickers.
Ooh.
Boop. Boop. Okay, Bob.
I think it says 5 minutes on the box. Okay, Robert, open.
Oh. $5. Thank you.
You gonna read the card?
What? Yeah. Dear Robert, hope your Easter is colored every shade of happy. Love and hugs, great grandma Marilyn, great grandpa in heaven,
Oh.
great granddad in heaven. May the Lord bless you and keep you.
Aw. Say thank you. Love
Thank you.
Say love you.
Love you.
Blow kiss. Better one. Yeah.
Ah, it's bleeding.
Blot it. Just dab it.
Okay.
What are you gonna put on it?
This guy's yellow. He needs some shades. Like a cool emoji guy.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay. He needs a mouth. Kind of looks cool, mouthless, but
You can always draw the mouth on too.
yes, do that. Fufa. Okay, we're gonna put the fufa on.
There's some girly
Yay!
ones with eyelashes.
Yeah, but pink bub is not good.
Do you want a fizz stick drink?
Yes, please. Oh.
Me. There's no mistakes in art. Remember that, videos. Remember that. He was only yoke years old. Why'd this have to happen? Ooh, at least he has an Arbonne medicine coffin. Okay, we shall now bury him. Oh. Okay. Now you can end the video. Bye-bye, videos. And comment down below which egg you think is the best.
You got a letter.
It says Matt.
Brownies for Easter!
What are we making?
Brownies.
All right. Dunk it.
I'll do the dunk. Ready, set, move!
Hey kids, gather all round. This is Biz. I'm going to teach you some sex.